Hello guys, today I have two things for you. First, the new course on Laravel Daily.com, recreating quiz system with Laravel and Livewire, and also I will announce a promotion and offer for this week to get the courses much cheaper with a lot of bonuses included. So first, let's start with the course. This is recreating a quiz system, just step by step, like it would be a very long tutorial with almost 20,000 words, just divided into chapters. So first we create the admin panel with CRUDs for questions and quizzes, stuff like that. So you can see on the screen some screenshots, and then people could take the quizzes, including timers, and see the leaderboards and their past results. Pretty simple system, but with a lot of dynamic elements where Livewire would shine with examples, and of course the repository is available inside the course. So you can take that one if you are a Laravel Daily Premium member, yearly or monthly. And speaking about premium membership, let's take a look at the homepage where I've just released a limited time offer only for this week. So if we click to see more details, first you have a discount code April 30 for 30% off yearly membership. So instead of $129, it would cost $99 for you for the first year. But then I decided to go deeper. So I prepared a set of gifts for you, for those of you who sign up for yearly membership this week until April 16th. You will automatically get an email with these gifts. So our other products will be for free for you. First, quick admin panel generate, Laravel admin panel in minutes, so you will get yearly membership for the first year, 100% discount code. Then I have Laravel Livewire kit set of components, 41 at the moment, and I will update those with Livewire 3 when it's released at some point. So you will get the access to the repository, which will include all that future changes. And then I've released a few ebooks in my career, and I decided to give it away for free for you as well as part of that promotion. So my book about freelancing with lessons and advice, and also another ebook about bad practices of Laravel in my experience. So you will get all of that if you purchase yearly membership this week. But even that is not all. Specifically for YouTube audience, I have another extra bonus. For the first 5 of you who will purchase yearly membership and email me, pavelas@laraveldaily.com, I will give away 30 minutes of my time. So we can jump on Zoom call for personal consultation, which could be about anything. I can review your code, I can give some advice about your project, about your career, whatever you want. And keep in mind, generally, I don't do client work at all these days. No personal consultations, no client work. I'm fully focused on creating content and managing the team now for creating content. But this time I will make an exception, so those of you who want to invest on a journey with me with yearly membership, first 5 who would email me with the questions that we could discuss, we can arrange a Zoom or Skype or whatever call. So yeah, that promotion is this week, and I understand this is a non-standard promotional video, which I very rarely do. So from tomorrow we'll get back to the content with new Laravel tips and tricks and tutorials. So see you guys in other videos.